A leprechaun.
From King Barney, king of the leprechauns.
Dear Felix, join me at the fairy ring for a spot of tea. Signed, Barney. Well, here I am at the fairy ring, but where is King Barney?
Top of the morning to you, Felix, me boy.
You're King Barney?
Right, and ruler of the leprechauns.
How's everything?
I think something will be happening soon.
You mean the professor and Rock Bottom?
Yes. They're now living in the old Kerry Castle. It's forbidden grounds for the leprechauns.
Hey, boss, what you looking for?
Rock, I found it. Come here. An old leprechaun law, forgotten today, but still a law, is if one can capture the king of the leprechauns, he must grant his captor or captors 3 wishes each. And Eureka, we're in business.
With 3 wishes each, we can own the world.
And so I would like for you to investigate.
I'll do it.
And may Irish luck go with you.
Now for the castle.
If you want to get everything, take 3 wishes on a king.
Shut up and let's find one.
They're up to something.
Now to find a leprechaun king. Shh, boss, there's a couple playing checkers. Easy, boss. Maybe one of them is a king.
This is where I move in.
Okay, boss. Get ready. Set. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 yeah.
Got them.
Hey, that's ours. We caught it.
Your fishing season is closed as of now. Now get out of here, fast.
Thank ye, lad, for the timely rescue.
Pack up your poles. You're traveling to jail. Hey, cut that out.
Hey, boss, we've got a bite. It's a sucker.
Now, I wonder how Felix is getting along investigating them crooks up in Kerry Castle. Well, he's not in sight. So, I'll wait.
Ho, ho! This is a laugh.
Why are you trying to capture leprechauns?
We're only looking for their king.
You mean King Barney?
That's right. When we capture him, we each get 3 wishes.
It's an old, old law. We'll be wealthy.
I forbid you.
Rock, put him in orbit.
Help!
Felix! Leprechauns, attention! Save Felix at all costs. It's all my fault.
Boss, our search is ended.
Ah, the king.
Don't frighten them.
Oh, water, water, water. He's fallen. Save him.
Ready, get set, go. Well, well, Your Royal Highness. Now we each get 3 wishes, Your Majesty.
For what?
For capturing the king of the leprechauns, which is you.
And your law.
'Tis sad but true. Make your wishes. There. Now make your wishes, and I'll grant them all.
I wish for a yacht.
Make mine an ocean liner.
A plane, $1,000,000 in gold.
And my wish is for 5 million.
I'm dreaming.
I'm a wealthy millionaire.
You crooks, you'll give back every penny.
Oh, no, Felix. I wish you were out of this world.
I double that wish.
Hooray! You've made a 4th wish. Look, and because of that, you lose all your wishes. It's the leprechaun law.
Our wealth, it's gone.